Guys, hello guys, today we'll be looking at gold. We'll be looking at how to buy and sell gold in the gold trading market. And this gold trading market, it's a market that is always very profitable, which means it always goes up. So let's quickly dive into this to look at it deeply and see how it can benefit us from the market. And I'm dropping this video with respect to the question that says, shows how to trade gold. Okay, shows how to what? How to trade gold. If you want to trade this gold are mostly traded on forex trade, but I personally use BTC Dana to trade gold. And this gold is what we call the XAU USDT, which has a current price in the market now 3,379.7, which is roughly 5 million in naira. So before I dive into this completely, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this. So let's move on. What I was talking about is here. This is the current price of what? Of gold. And as I said earlier, this gold is basically traded on forex and also places like BTC Dana. That is where you can get it clearly. But you can also trade it on bybit since it's available. The XAU. So in financial market, XAU stand for gold, not silver. XAU stand for gold. And these XAU are mostly traded on forex trading, as I said earlier, and also in places like BTC, Dana, and the rest. So this shows you the 15 minutes of how this trade has been doing in this 15 minutes. Coming across, going forward to 1 hour, it will shows you how this trade has been doing for the past 1 hour. 4 hours will also shows you the same. 1 day, which is known as 24 hours, will also show you the same. So if you want to see more, you're gonna click on this more in order for you to what? To look at it. Do you want to see 1 month, 1 week, and lot more of it? They're all available here. Okay, they are all available here. So if you really want to trade this XAU, watch it carefully. Make sure you look at the 24 hours turnover, its 24 hours high, and also its 24 hours low. Okay, this is where you find the whole of this. Its 24 hours high was over 3,379. The 24 hours low was over 3,301, and the 24 hours turnover is over 3.41 million. You can see it. All right, it's very easy and simple. So coming to down here, you can see its order book. Its order book means the quantity of XAU that have been purchased and also the quantity of XAU that have been sold. Sold, purchased, this rings every second. It rings every second. So leaving that place to the trade, you can see how the price have been, the people that have been buying a particular price, and also the people that have been buying in a particular, that have been selling in a particular price. Okay, look at the data. You can look at its calendar here. Here shows its network. Its network is ETH and also USDT. which is also harboring over 15 network. Okay, so let's say if you had choose your interest, or you have made your mind to trade this. If you have made your mind to trade this, the coin is still young. You can see it has only recorded plus 2.22%. You can dive into it carefully and make your profit. You gotta go to click on trade, and in this trade, in my last video, I talk about this very important thing. You can turn on the margin, and you can as well leave the margin. The margin means derivatives, of which I always advise not to trade derivatives unless if you are very competent and also very used to the crypto trading environment. Okay, coming to this place, you can turn this on, or in order for you to buy what? To buy with your total capital, or you just input the volume of a particular XAU you want to buy. Okay, you can see this. As I said, XAU is gold. XAU is what? XAU is gold. So if you buy it carefully, you can keep watching carefully, and you gotta see how really it works. You can see, like right now, this XAU is about taking a beautiful move. Okay, it's about taking a beautiful direction. So if you are like watching this video like at this particular time on the 2nd May by 11 is the time I'm running this video. Okay, so if you are going to dive on this, believe me, you're going to make something rational from it. Alright, so this brings me to the end of this very video. If you have any question, drop it and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.